Ang pakiusap ko lang sa lahat, maraming haka-haka, maraming nangyayari. Pabayaan muna natin yung mga ahensya na nag-iimbestiga at alamin muna natin lahat ng mga factual events. Okay, let's stick to the facts of what happened. This is very tragic. We need the support of the parents and especially the teachers.
Mayor, ano po immediate measure ng local government dahil po dito sa nangyari?
Well, immediate measurement here is it is important that we do a thorough investigation on what the real motive was. Okay? Now, may lumalabas na sinasabi bullying, may lumalabas na pero contrary to what the evidence shows, that is not actually factual. So let's not speculate that this was the motive. Okay?
But in terms of security, police presence sa mga schools ngayon,
we can only do so much. Alam nyo, ang talagang, this is a wake-up call to parents, this is a wake-up call to the teachers. It's about time, you focus on your children. You cannot, if you cannot discipline and raise your children properly, don't give them to the government to discipline. That's not our job.
So may establish na po yung...
Importante dito talaga, magkapit kaway muna itong mga magulang at saka mga parents at pag-usapan talaga nila ano nangyari and comfort each other. That's the best thing you can do. Our intelligence and law enforcers are doing the best they can to figure, this out. Diba? So, mo, pag motibo kasi ang tinitignan nila motive but at the same time capability. So yan ang ina-address ngayon at tinitignan ano ba nangyari dyan, di ba? Kasi importante lang talaga kung ano talaga yung nangyari, factual. Doon tayo sa facts.